everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. So for that, open the Instagram application first. Once you open the message icon, if you do not see notes in your Instagram, that might be because of few reasons. So if you do not see notes in your Instagram inbox, you might need to update your application. This update is recently launched in December 13, 2022. The Instagram note is a latest update that can be found in direct message DM section just below the search bar and will be visible for your followers for 24 hours. Unlike the stories feature which allows the posting of pictures and videos, here you only be able to post a brief and quick note which is only of 60 character limit. So to fix this issue, you can update your Instagram application. Go to the Google Play Store, tap on Instagram on the search bar and tap on search. And if the Instagram update is needed, you will have the update option instead of open. You tap on update and update your Instagram application to the latest version where you will have the option of notes being available. Even after doing so, you do not have the notes icon on the top. What you can do is you can uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall the app on your phone device. This might help you get the latest version of your Instagram to have that notes update. So hope this information was useful for you on how you can fix the Instagram notes not showing. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.